Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU. Here in this session, I'm here to discuss a set of new words with you guys in this session. Guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe it right away for regular sessions with us. So the article heads as Excellence in Diversity on Scrapping of Reservation in IIT Recruitment. Now, scrapping of reservation, that is removing reservation or removal of in IIT recruitment. So there are reservations, as we all know, in Indian education system. We see the reservation system. So there is a sort of a plan which has come up wherein they are planning to remove the reservation system when it comes to IIT recruitment. Equal opportunity and universal education can make affirmative action. Affirmative, guys, is an adjective which means positive or something that gives you something that is on a brighter side, right? जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं सकारात्मक. So this gives you a positive or affirmative action meaningful, that can make the action meaningful. It would definitely come up as a good sign or a good or a better option. So we're talking about equal opportunity and universal, that is global education. The significant expansion of the IIT system since 2008 after reservation was extended to student candidates belonging to other backward classes, that is OBC, okay, has resulted in a vexed situation. Vexed is an adjective again, and vexed means annoyed, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, इरिटेटेड. ठीक है, कि जो बंदा परेशान हो जाता है, इरिटेट हो जाता है, गुस्सा हो जाता है, राइट? So it has resulted in a vexed situation in which these institutions are unable to find enough qualified faculty members whose recruitment must also meet quota norms. अभी ऐसा भी हो रहा है that जो recruitment हो रही है वो कहते हैं ना कि कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स. ओके, बाउंड बाय द सेंट्रल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस. So the Reservation and Teachers Cadre Act 2019, the IITs must fulfill the important goal of affirmative action while making appointments. So whatever the appointments are being made, they have to be, that we have to look into that it is done in the sequential way and the process or the desired process or the appropriate thing is being followed. Okay, that has to be looked into. Further, the writer also adds that while the law is enabling, the benefit cannot be extended to many due to a severe mismatch. Severe is an adjective which means serious. जिसको हम कहते हैं जो कि गंभीर होता है. हिंदी में हम क्या कहते हैं? गंभीर. So it is a severe mismatch between the demand and availability of technology research graduates. So when it comes to IIT recruitment, we need, let's say this can be inferred from the given statement that we need technology research graduates, and at present the demand is more and the supply is less. So what is happening? There is a disbalance, there is a mismatch between this demand and supply thing, because of which the benefit cannot be availed. Last year, IIT Delhi had a staggering deficit. Staggering is again an adjective which means astonishing. कहते हैं ना, एक आश्चर्यचकित करने वाला या फिर किसी को आश्चर्यचकित, किसी को एक तरीके से आप किसी को अस्टॉनिश कर रहे हो, सरप्राइजिंग है वो. So it was a deficit drastic of 30% in its teachers' ranks, and there are 23 such institutes in India now. So see, if the teachers are not good enough, then definitely the base, or I would say the entire the implementation of the application of the course or the desired syllabus would definitely will not have much of impact on a student or a learner. So this highlights the scale of the crisis. This gives you this gives you the effect, or it underlines or it emphasizes that the sort of crisis India is in. It is in this context of the large-scale vacancies that the Education Ministry tasked a committee to suggest effective implementation of reservation in central institutions such as the IITs for both student enrollment and faculty recruitment. It is important, guys, because of reservations, what is happening is people who are not capable enough, they are also getting enrolled as a learner, that is student based, and recruited as teachers as well. So now the government, or you can say education ministry, has come to light. Okay, things have come to fore, that they have realized that things are not going right just because of reservation. There are loopholes that are lying in the system, and we need to rectify them as soon as possible. So there is an urge to come up with a committee which will look into this matter and try to resolve it, and would come up with solutions or ways to address this problem. Further, it has been said that the panel headed by IIT Delhi's director has come up with two options: to exempt IITs from quotas by including them in the schedule to the 2019 law, which is applicable to institutions of excellence, research institutions, and institutions of national and strategic importance, and to provide reservation to specified grades of assistant professors, taking the institution as a whole. So if you see again what is happening, they're trying to come up with things that are viable, that are important. All right, so anything which is important for the education system to scale up, that is what the government in the education ministry at the moment needs, or is demanding for, or it wants, and it is definitely working towards achieving the same. So whether it's the institutions of national and strategic importance, definitely things are going to the government and the education ministry together, they're looking forward to make necessary changes required, and would definitely achieve the specified goal that they have set, or they have embarked on, right, towards it. Further, the writer also adds that where candidates are not available in the latter case, the posts can be de-reserved in the subsequent year. Subsequent, again an adjective, which means coming or the next. आने वाला, जिसको हम हिंदी में एक वर्ड में कहते हैं आगामी, like coming, next. So in the next year, probably there are cases if these seats can be, or the posts can be de-reserved. मतलब कि कमी हो जाएगी, supply की, demand is there. An early decision must now be taken by the government without sacrificing equity principles. So this is that they are asking for immediate action. Okay. But the action should be sturdy. Sturdy, that means it should be strong. It should be robust, right? Diversity achieved through affirmative action, such as compensatory discrimination in favor of some classes of citizens, corrects historical distortions, guys. Distortion is noun which means an imbalance. तो जो भी कमियां, या आप कह सकते हो जो डिसरप्शंस हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज आप एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन और सोसाइटी का, या फिर आप कह सकते हो जो कि like those who are discriminated, or those who are the minority section, if you favor them, okay, and you favor them to a great extent, okay, then this will definitely bring distortions in the society, and this has already been felt or observed in the history in the past. For it to be fully realized, however, the concomitant is massive investments. Guys, concomitant here has been used as noun, which means the acknowledgement, the acceptance, okay, the association. तो जो भी इनके बीच का जो relation है, it is massive investments in the education system at all the levels. So, अगर if the government, or they do not accept that the things are not well, अगर जो कि जैसे different sections of society को आप favor कर रहे हो, या फिर जो reservation system है, if you still are not taking note of it, that it is harming the education industry, it is harming the education system on the whole. अगर अभी भी हम इस चीज़ को realize नहीं करते, then it will be a problem at all levels. It is now widely recognized that substituting traditional privilege with opportunity and the right facilities dispels the myth of innate merit, inborn merit. Guys, बिल्कुल सही बात कही जा रही है कि आप कहाँ पैदा हुए, right? What is your traditional ethical background? This definitely doesn't approve that you have that inborn merit, or you are that talented, that because you are part of this particular section, then आपको इतना reservation is, you are like, in simple terms, if I talk in layman language, then it would definitely be like nobody can have that right that okay, because I am a part of a minority section, or one that is being discriminated at large, then I have this innate merit, or I should have this edge, okay, over others, and I should be given like this opportunity or this place in an institution or in a college, like in simple terms, if I talk about. So this is what the writer wishes to tell, that we, through the traditional privilege, and we cannot judge the opportunity that a person would have. Such an approach ensures justice for those who were deprived. So जिनको जिस चीज़ की कमी थी, कमी होना, deprive, तो वो उनके लिए justice बताएगा. Like this would be fair enough for everyone then, right? The ministry's committee echoes this when it recommends a government-sponsored preparatory program at the IITs, which can help candidates eligible for reservation to get acquainted with the high-quality academic work and optionally prepare for a PhD if they aspire to be teachers. So they are saying that before getting into an IIT, these people who come up through reservation, or who are eligible for reservation, they should be made acquainted, like they should be made to acknowledge the work that they would be facing, okay, they would have to go through, whether they will be able to take up or not, or the future prospects that they look forward to, whether they will be able to do that or not, because people are seeing that the seeds are getting wasted. There is definitely, as I said, as the writer said here, that there is right, if I here it has been said that there are qualified faculty teachers, but we are in there is shortage because we are unable to find them. They are there, but the education industry is like, it's trying hard. It is getting hard to find them. So these people who aspire to be teachers later in life, they should know that what all things are necessary. Again, this is other part or the side of the picture. Further, it has been said that this is imperative. This is again an adjective which means important or crucial. कहते ना ज़रूरी. Considering that such graduates will help fill not just vacancies in the IITs, but also aid is help, large number of other technical educational institutions that aspire to research excellence. Governments must aim for progressive redistribution, for which policy should actively expand equal opportunity, starting with a strong liberal public school system. Now, they want a liberal public school system that is free, okay, like free of unnecessary, instead I would say something that doesn't have unnecessary botherance, okay. This will strengthen diversity for sure and lay the foundation, that is, set the foundation for the kind of scholarship that institutions of excellence need at present. What is the need of the hour? They would look forward to it and they would fulfill it. They would justify it for sure. This is what the writer wishes to suggest and say. So this is the entire article for today, guys, and the list of the words that we have discussed is there on the side. You guys have to go to the link given in the description and you will find the list there. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, because these sessions are on a regular basis, so do not miss any. Whether you're preparing for bank, SSC, defense, or even civil services examinations, this is definitely going to be beneficial for you guys, whether it's from your current affairs perspective or vocabulary building or word power enhancement. I shall see you soon in the next session. Till then, keep learning and growing. Thank you so much.